Well, hello. We are here at the Longhorn, and this is the first time I'm here, and this is located in Barboursville, West Virginia, called Tainlert Outlet. We'll get run over here in a minute, sorry. So let's go in and check the food review of Longhorn in Barboursville, West Virginia. Okay, cool. And this is what it looks like inside. There is copyright music in here, so I do apologize for anything inconvenience. Horse thing here, and that here. I don't know if this is what yours looks like, but it looks pretty cool. So hopefully the copyright won't hurt us. And we're reading in the big round table. The next time what we'll do is I'll have to figure how to put some music on here instead of for copyright. We'll figure something out. Alright, here's the menu. Let's look at that. That's the menu here.
Is this the menu?
Well, part of the menu here.
This is the menu too?
You know, there's a lot of copyright music, so I'm on. Right here, this one here.
Oh,
it's right here.
Can move down. Here you go.
No.
Use this one.
Yeah.
Good.
How are you? Sneaking over your shoulder.
What are you getting?
Oh, I'm not sure yet because I got.
There's just a drink.
It's just a drink.
Oh.
Coke, I got Coke products, Mr. Pibb, Sprite, Coke Zero.
We just got a Pepsi.
Yeah. I'll take a diet, a Coke.
Okay, diet?
Diet.
Okay. Ma'am, could you open lemons in your water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's all. I'll just take it.
Okay.
Gosh, their salads are cheap. Let me see what's in here.
You want lemonade?
Water with lemon.
Water with lemon? Okay. I got you.
Where's their
You got diet?
appetizer?
Oh, okay.
I'll take
So
one.
guys, take
Okay, this is what we ordered. This is called the
see
handhelds.
that menu. This menu is on the page.
And this is what I'm getting right here. It's a Sky Burger. Big Sky Burger. Never had that before. Been this the first time here. And it is $14.79. Then I'm coming over here and I'm grabbing this. And I'm going to have the loaded potato soup. And no table soup, it's a bowl, and it's going to be $5.49.
Well, we'll figure it out.
And this is what my wife's going to have. She's going to have the new farmers market chicken. So it's $12.79. Sorry for the things here. And you get two sides. And it's two sides with that. It's okay. Then when we come back, we'll show you the food. Alrighty. See, this is her. She likes to pick her nose on the internet. They called her the old hag. You remember him, the old man that sleeps? There's Alan. He likes to do the food review and do that too as well. And you know my wife.
Hello.
And my son disappeared. He's somewhere, but we're all here together. Longhorn's pretty good. And I'll show you the receipt and food and stuff too. Always want to hear. So we're actually eating here because our birthday dinner is going to be here. So me and my son. So alrighty, we're going to be waiting for a while. And we'll see what happens. I am sorry, but we had a roll. It looks like that.
All right, I got all these orders. Soup and appetizers.
That it's a roll, like a big size roll. I'm sorry. It's wheat bread, and it's freshly baked. Now I'm gonna show you something. You always do this to a straw. You take it, the tip off, leave a little bit here, jerk it down a little bit, have right there. And what you do is take this in here and you blow on it like this. And it went over his head and hit the lady right there. I hit the lady with a straw accidentally. Went over his head and hit her accidentally. Oops. All right, here's my potato soup. It's potato soup. And here's the chili cheese and fries. So let me turn you around. Now, I'm going to try this out here. And we'll see what it is.
Oh, you're fine.
I don't know why they sent out cups, but here. Now you get a little bit more than you do.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Well, I told you it's big. And
Yeah,
they sent out the cup, and I said,
okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Extra, a little bit extra.
Yeah. It's supposed to be a bowl, so they gave us 2 cups. Gave us 2 cups. Give me 2 cups. That's cool. Now, there's chili cheese. That's what it looks like. No, that is awesome. First time here.
What about this? Can I just have a bite of it?
It's delicious. Potato soup's fresh.
Are you sure?
The chili cheese is fresh too.
What you all want?
Thumbs up so far. We'll show you some more.
What's it?
What do you think for your food so far, hon? Your chili cheese fries,
Not bad. Not bad at all.
pretty good and it's delicious. And that's
Yeah,
hot
it's
food.
really good. A lot of cheese. Very good.
You get your money's worth on this stuff here. I've still got 2 potato soups. What they done was supposed to give me a bowl, but what happened is they forgot to give me a bowl, so they gave me 2 big cups to take a little bowl. And it's very delicious. So far, I got my money's worth on that. I know. Hey, look at that. Here's what the roll looks like. Okay, here it is. I got Sky Burger. You got the prime rib here, and you got hamburger underneath all that. Here's your fries. And my wife said I'm gonna have a stroke. She's watching what I'm eating, and it's pretty good size. And what yours looks like? No, he got the same thing, but his was medium rare. Mine's all well done. Just waiting on my mayonnaise, lettuce, and tomato on mine. But then we'll take the bite review here in a minute.
Just a little tiny bite, baby.
Here's what my wife's got.
I don't want a whole lot.
That's hers.
Just,
There's she's got that over there.
just a little bite. I don't want a whole lot.
And then she got broccoli. And I'm still waiting for my stuff. Alright, now we're recording. We're gonna take a bite of this baby. Yeah. Very delicious. Fresh. And medium, well done. Here's the French fries. Well worth the money.
He's a YouTuber.
We're YouTubing.
He's YouTuber.
So we'll tell you at the end of the result and the receipt. Okay, I'm full. I'm hurting. I could not finish all of it. So
No, honey, I can't eat no.
look what I have not finished. Okay, I have not finished that. That was a big sandwich. I'm a big eater, but I think I ate some. I think the rolls filled me up, and the chili cheese fries and the thing of soup. I've got the thing of soup left, full. I've got a rib and ham steak burger. I got my wife's half a chicken. A lot of fries. She's over vomiting over here on the camera. So this will be my lunch tomorrow at work, because we don't waste any food whatsoever. Trust me, we don't. So all this here will be my lunch tomorrow. And my review on this will be at the end, and we'll show you the receipt. And like I said, it's awesome.
Let me buy ice cream.
Alrighty, here is the receipt.
Let it settle a little bit.
And sorry for all the commotion in the back. All together was
He's been wanting ice cream.
$56.02, $3.17 tax, and we gave him $15 tip. So the guy was really nice. So mine was $14.79. There's my loaded with potato was $5.49, $14.79. Actually, that's my son's here, but you can see.
Next one's
So we're pretty good. All right, thank you. All right, if you can hear me, the noise. My food review is it was very delicious but pricey. What do you think? Same, but it's very delicious. You get a lot of food for your money. Once a year, meaning like I said, according to your income, I said once a year for us. But it was very delicious, and I got a lot of extra food left over. So this is in Barboursville, West Virginia. It's a new Longhorns called Tangered. Is it Tangered or what's it called again?
Tangered Station.
Tangered Station in Barboursville.
My favorite thing is the cheese.
Sorry. So they get your money's worth. Like I said, it's very delicious, fresh, and they cook how you like it, and they're very polite. Like I said, it's starting to get busy. Now we're on a Thursday, May 5th. Usually if you go on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, you'll never get in. But Monday through Thursday is a good time to come in here on evening times. And it's like 5:30, 6 o'clock. So
Get the chili cheese fries.
yeah, get the chili cheese fries. That'll fill you up quicker than anything else. All right.
This is the best.
Yeah, it's the best. Cool. All right, please comment. If any questions about this, let me know. I hope you like our food review. Bye.